Hello dear students, we are going to discuss the chapter Sunita in Space. The sky, stars, sun, moon, they are all in space. Observe sun with 8 planets. Sun with 8 planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth. This is our Earth with Moon. Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. This is our solar system. It consists of the sun and everything that travels around the sun. This includes the 8 planets and their moons, asteroids, comets, etc. What do you think the Earth looks like? The Earth looks like a sphere. We live on planet Earth. It is the third planet from the Sun. It moves around the Sun. The surface of the Earth is covered with land and water. Uzaira and Samir are playing with the globe. While they play, they are talking to each other.
Do you know that Sunita Williams is visiting our school tomorrow? I have heard that she has spent more than 6 months in space.
Look, here is America, Africa. Hey, where is space?
The sky, stars, sun and moon, they are all in space.
Yes, I know. Sunita Williams went in a spaceship. I saw on TV that she could see the Earth from there. Sunita Williams is an astronaut from America. She was born on 19 September 1965 at Euclid in the United States. She started her career by joining the US Navy. She joined NASA in June 1998. As a part of the Boston Marathon, she conducted a marathon in space on 16 April 2007. In 2007, Sunita Williams set a new record for the longest space flight by a woman. She had spent 321 days, 17 hours and 15 minutes in space. She got Padma Bhushan on 25 June 2008.
From there, the earth looked like this globe.
If our Earth looked like this globe, then where are we?
Here we are. This is India.
If we were here like this, we would all fall off. I think we must be inside the globe.
If we are inside, then where is the sky, the sun, the moon and the stars? We must be on the globe. And all the seas and oceans must also be on the globe.
You mean to say that no one stays here?
people live here too. Brazil and Argentina are here.
Are the people there standing upside down? Why don't these people follow?
Yes, it looks strange, isn't it? And this blue part must be the sea. Why does not the sea water fall off?
If the earth is round like a globe, how is it that we do not fall off? The gravitational force of the earth attracts everything towards itself. Hence, we do not fall off. Do the people in Argentina stand upside down? No, they don't stand upside down. The people also stand up like us. There is no concept like standing upwards or downwards. Everything is relative. Sunita's experiences of living in space. They could not sit at one place. They kept floating in the spaceship from one end to another. Water too does not stay at one place. It floats around as blobs. They would float into the dining area of the spaceship and catch the floating food packets. In space, there was no need to use a comb. Her hair kept standing all the time. Not being able to walk, they had to get used to floating around. Can you think why Sunita's hair was standing? Our hair remains in downward direction when we are on the earth because of the gravitational force of the earth. Sunita's hair was standing because she was in space and there is zero gravity which makes everything float.
8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1, and liftoff of Space Shuttle Atlantis. The final visit to enhance the vision of Hubble into the deepest grandeur of our universe.
Bypass across the board, Scooter, no action.
Houston now controlling, Atlantis on its way. Atlantis on its way, all three engines now throttling down as the vehicle passes through the area of maximum dynamic pressure.
Atlantis, Houston, no action on the MPS H2 out P.
Look at Sunita's photographs and the dates written on each of them. Tell what all is happening and when. On the earth, when we throw something up, it comes down. When we throw a ball off in air, it falls back. We are able to catch it. It is something special about the earth that makes this happen. The earth pulls everything towards itself. Think why water flows downwards on any slope. On mountains too, water flows downwards, not upwards. The earth has the gravitational force. Due to the earth's gravitational force, the water flows down the mountain. A tiny paper raises a coin. Take a 5 rupee coin and a small piece of paper. The paper should be about 1/4 the size of the coin. Hold the coin in one hand and the paper in the other. Drop them at the same time. What happened? When dropping the coin in one hand and the paper in the other, the coin reaches the ground faster than the paper. The coin fell down more quickly than the piece of paper. Now place the tiny paper on the coin and drop them. What happened this time? Surprised. When placing the tiny paper on the coin and dropping them together, both reaches the ground at the same time. Both paper and coin fell down at the same time. Magic number 2. A mouse lifts an elephant. Who is pulling home? You will be surprised. The mouse lifts the elephant. How did this magic happen? When the small stone, the mouse, starts rotating, it creates a force due to which the bigger stone, the elephant, is pulled off. Sunita describes her view of the Earth from the spaceship. The Earth looks so beautiful and amazing. We could watch it for hours. From the window of the spaceship, we could clearly see the curved shape of the Earth. Look at this photograph and tell. Can you see India? This is India. Can you recognize any other place? This is Sri Lanka. This place is Australia. Where is the sea? Blue color indicates water. The sea is shown in the blue part. Do you find anything similar between the globe and this picture of the Earth? In what ways are they different? Similarities between the globe and the Earth is that we can identify which part is land and which part is sea. They are different in the following manners. Globe. It is a model of the Earth. Picture shown. It is a real photograph of the Earth. In globe, there are division lines separating the countries and the states. In the picture shown, there is no division line separating the countries and states. Do you think Sunita could make out Pakistan, Nepal, and Burma separately when she saw the Earth from the space? No, I think she could not. It is difficult to identify these countries since no particular country can be visible from space. Look at a globe, observe and identify some countries with which India plays cricket matches. For example, England, Australia, Pakistan, Bangladesh, and South Africa. What else can you see on the globe? Apart from sea and countries, we can see islands, mountains, etc. on the globe.
See, there are lines between the different countries on this globe. Are such lines also there on the earth?
There must be. They are there on the map of India in this book. See, there are lines between the different states too. Samir thinks that there are lines drawn on the ground between the states. What do you think? I think these lines are on the maps only and are not on the ground. Division into countries has been done by us. All the lines on the maps are made by us.